Hello friends, welcome back to our channel K2N Family. This was Mata tum sogli bori hai mona. Well, today's day is very excited and very nice. First and foremost, आता भुरग्यांगे हॉलिडे स्टार्ट जाता आयज निमाण दीस इस्कॉलाचो हेजे उपरांत फुडले वीक हॉलिडे तांकां आनी मुगे तकली खावपा आतां फ्रीज हाडून बोलते गेले सारकें म्हाका सोंतोवपा आहाय ती सो तें एक जालें. सेकेंडली वॉट वील बी हॅविंग इज आतां हांगा शमाय राव. सो आतां म्हाका तें एंजला हाडपा वचपा जाय इस्कॉलाकू. एंजलागे इस्कॉल आयज बेगी हाडपा ताका कित्याक लागून तें सांग तुमकां. So the reason is we are going to have a very nice day today because after long time we are trying like तुमकां खबर आमी ब्रेक घेयलो पळय तो. सो हो व्हिडिओ करूया तुमी आमी त्या व्हिडिओ ऑलरेडी येयला आसतलो पूण हो तुमकां आतां व्हिडिओ कित्याक सांगता हांव व्हिडिओ शूट करपा वचपा आमगे व्हिडिओ शूट करपा आमगे इंट्रो करपा आमगे न्यू म्युजीक चोयला आसले K2N फॅमिली गेले. सो दॅट म्युजीक ते लायन करपा लागून एक बारीकसो एक व्हिडिओ शूट करपा आनी फॉर दॅट वी हॅव अ फोटोग्राफी ऑल्सो हॅपनिंग. सो जेसन is a photographer who is coming to do a photograph, very professional photographer, best photographer करता. आनी हॉरन म्हणल्यार गायज जेसनागे काम हांवें चोयलां तागे इंस्टाचेरू आनी ही इज अ व्हेरी like he's an upcoming star like is a very good talented person and he just want to explore his his ability, how better he can go further. So tekla to mutala I approached, he was working with Nadia, so I approached him Jason, I want to do so. So he gave me some ideas of Korea maka a photo korpa like that, not for YouTube or anything. These photos are like that tum new gara bitosale. So we just wanted amge room amge Nadia ge boro ek photo halolo amge bedroom burgange tenge room tenge photo halolo or even living room ya like only few like ek chod naka ek 5-6 photos only that I want to have very nice one photos for us. So that photo kadpa maka ek chod naka at least 10 photos which we will be keeping for ourselves. तितले हे करपा लागून and for that Jason is going to come. So आतां हांव सगळें रेडी जाता, everything is going to get ready आनी बेगी वचोन इस्कॉला सांगलां एंजला गेल्यार हांव ताका बेगी हाडटा म्हणून. सो वी वील बी गोइंग टू पिक अप एंजल आनी मागीर तुमकां दाखयता केस जाता तें. ओके सो लेट मी गेट रेडी गायज. ओके आतां हांव वयता एंजला हाडपा. आतां हांव तूं सांगलो न्ही फोटोशूट आहा म्हणून. सो आयज मातशें एक वर पयलीं हाडटा ताका इस्कॉला सावन. सो इस्कॉला सांगलोलें ऑलरेडी हुंय मागीर सारकी सांग चोय कितें गो बाय मी जाता सारकी चड गरम हा. एक्चुअली 3 o'clock दवरलोले वचपाकू पूण 3 o'clock वचपाक कोता येवपाना. मातशें राव बाबा 3 o'clock वचोंक वताले. 3 o'clock इज नॉट पॉसिबल लायक पॉसिबल न्ही कित्याक चड वत पडटा, चड गरमी आहाय सारकी आनी ह्युमिडिटी चड जाता. सो 3 o'clock धाकट्या भुरग्यांक बेगीन जावपाना मागीर. सो ताका लागून म्हळ्यार एटलिस्ट 4 o'clock अशें करून वयतलो. सो 4 o'clock वचून मागीर करतलो रोखडे 1 or 1.5 hours सुमार फोटोशूट करतलो बेश्टें आनी आतां भायर हाडटा आनी मागीर तुमकां दाखयता मुखायलें. ओके so friends, finally we are here for the photo shoot. As I said like before that we are going out for the photo shoot. आमगे फोटो शूट करपा म्हणून घरान दवरपा लागले फोटो. वी आर ऑल इन वायट, सगळीं वायटू घालयले लायक म्हणलें आतां वायटू घालया म्हणून. आनी वी हॅव कम टू आवर फेवरेट प्लेस इन स्विडन. इट्स कॉल्ड कोट वॉटर्स. एंजला गेली कून हिंगा कुमियागे शूट जालो पळय हिंगा. And with me I have Jason. Jason I introduce ko pहिले तुका हांव पहिले दाखयता हिंगा एंजल. एंजल say hello. Yeah, she's in white for herself. Yeah, and I'll show here. See Nadia, she's in white for herself. Yeah, I'm in white for myself. And Kisha याचे हिंगा पण रावलो ऑलरेडी फोटो काडपा याचे. And फोटो काडटा पळय that is the man Jason Pereira. He's a talented person. So guys, हांव तुका तो आपणाक फोटो काडीत आहा. तो हांव तेगे फोटो जाल म्हूण तुका इंट्रोडक्शन दिता जेसना केले. वॉट जेसन डज, वॉट he's like he's working and his profession is he's a professional photographer also. So भुरग्यांक वचो या ते कितको रावलो पळय त्या भुरग्यांक सांगून कितको हें करता पळय 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 किशा वयता फोटो काडपा.
Smile. Give me a big smile. That's good. All right. You take one more. Come over here. Come.
You see Kisha.
ते झाले ते गेले
चोय. So she रोकडे हर म्हणटा patience level guys. Jason has a really good patience. I'm saying like the way how you do the photography to capture this moment. I feel like हांव चोयता पळय किशा आमगे सारके उमेदीर रावले ताजे फुड्यान. सो एक फावट तेगे मातशें जालें म्हण हांव तुका जेसना मेळून दाखयता ओके
You have to hold baby this way, okay? Okay?
Okay.
येस
Okay. Come in the middle.
You're
Come in
not
the middle.
hiding behind her.
You don't have to
need
hide
show your
behind her.
face also.
you just have to go half
Yeah,
hour. You have to like yeah.
Sure. Come.
Okay, the K sisters are making the photography now. Kisha, give a smile.
Yeah, hold.
Yeah. Look, baby. Kishu, give nice smile, huh? Baba.
You have to give a smile, baby.
Give me a big smile. Okay?
Look there.
Don't do pouch, okay?
Don't do
Normal
that, Papa.
smile.
Small smile.
Normal smile, okay?
Look there.
Look over
Look
here.
there. Look there. Kisha, here. Look there, baby.
So friends, फोटोशूट चालू हा आणि फोटोशूट करता करता म्हणा जेसन आपणालो दिसता उलोवपा अरे प्रोफेशन तुगेले ती उलोवपाकूच जाय तूं उलयता जाल्यार आमकां सांगतले हा ही हॅज टू टॉक वेरी आतां हांव लिटरली ही इज जेसन
Hello.
yes a very good professional person a very young energetic upcoming star I would say he has captured lot of events before आणि ताका हांव जायते फावटी सांगता लायक यू नो जेसन you have to explore तूं सांगों जाय लोकांक you know you have to advertise yourself तूं पेज घाल तुगेली like Instagram page हा म्हणटा
Yeah.
you have your Instagram page he's got his Instagram he's got his Facebook but what it is it's about like people want to know and his prices are also reasonable like you know he doesn't want to like he understand the pinch how it's expensive कितली पडटा पळय तें करपाक so तो सांगतलो and even if you know at the time like तूं सांगलें बाबा चोय अशें तशें he has a team that he can buddy up like you know I think so I'd still a team of 5 that you all had buddy up all together like you know only Kazara event bhi cover करपाची ह्या तेंगे कितें आहा तेगे so जैसे तुगेले हॉर म्हणल्यार स्पेशलिटी तुगे फोटोग्राफी मरे
Yeah.
आनी तूं आतां कितले टायम जाला हें कोत्ता तो आतां
Almost like 6-7 years.
6-7
Started from
years
Goa.
6-7 years guys yeah sometimes we walk on the sand with lot of stones around and we don't understand there was a diamond inside so yeah 6-7 years is not a small thing it's a big experience and he knows what he does there is a photographer आहे कॅमेरा गेलो फोटो केला जाले म्हणटा आपण फोटोग्राफर बट जे आय हॅव सीन द पेशन्स लेवल तूं चोयला हें भुरग्यांक चो तेंकां चड हेका दोगांयकू हें करपाकू so guys anytime he has come to make a photo shoot for us yeah so म्हाका तुका हांवें सांगलो पयलीं म्हाका जाय आसलो तें हें करपा so why not like you know if he's there why not to make it like okay to give him a name also and to make people aware about that he is one of the profession that we know and if you all want to try please do try his description of his contacts and everything his work I will be displaying on my inbox there will be there in the comment section I will pin kon dotolo so you all can go you all can find out you all can contact him you all can talk you all can ask for an idea he is ready to take all the ideas on board as well तो म्हाकीच आता पयले तूं केस जाय कितें जाय like you know what you all think what you all want to make it where you want to frame your photos where you want to so this kind of small details that he asked me made me feel like okay that he knows what he wants to do and how he wants to get the picture so that it will look good on my wall so I had a feel like you know I'm kota like you know we have done photo shoot before also पयले आसलो पळय मेलविना एकले हाडलो but yes as I say a very talented person he knows what it is 7 years of experience guys is not a small it takes a lot of patience and time somebody to be to this stage and I think so it's time for you to shine Jason तू जावपा जाता कळ्ळें तुका हांवें तेका सांगलां
Sure.
एडवर्टायज कर तुगे कोर म्हाका आतां मुगे युट्यूबार घालपाक हें करतलो नॉट बिकॉज ही तो म्हणटालो कोर आपणा करपा नाका म्हणून युट्यूबा बी करपा नाका म्हणून ही डी नॉट कम टू बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू फॉर युट्यूब ही हॅड जस्ट कम टू मेक अ फोटो शूट फॉर अस बट I felt like doing it for him because why to simply waste your talent that you have it in you like you know दाखोय मरे लोकांकू like you know you आनी खरें म्हणल्यार हांव सांगना प्रायस कितें आनी कितें पळय तें गायज यू ऑल कॉल अप यू ऑल फायंड आउट हॉन्स्लो जावं लंडन खंय वचपा जाय रेडींग वचपा जाय ब्रिस्टल वचपा जाय you name him he will be there you just tell him like if you're available can you do how much you're going to charge if you all need multiple photographers also like that तुका हाय नरे मरे भुरगे यार you got a team he's got a team like you know if you all need multiple photographers बाबा कितले पडटले how much get a quotation घेवपाक कितें केला nothing. It doesn't. You don't lose anything. It's just one phone call. Call, find out. Like
And
see.
he does maternity also, no? Maternity photo shoots. All the photo
So
shoots.
birthday. आता या मुंगे तो मोठं business आहे. Birthday
come.
party, communions, baptism, maternity, baby shower जाऊं म्हणतो, काजरा, wedding. Civil and everything, communion, everything. And photography, guys, is not about like how you want to. I feel like our photo is na. I really don't come. But what I find good about my photo is I have lived. My frame is there, like that moment what I was doing. So photos are all about the moments that have been created, and that's what I've seen. Like I'll share ko tolo. Kisha ke tengele photo काढलो आणि ते हरे like ती पिशावची करते ते and he has captured those moments. You all will love it. So आता आम्ही आमचे photoshoot continue होत आहे. You guys, you all will be watching and you all will be knowing also. Jason, thank you very much. Yeah, once again. तू गेले हरे तुका सांगता चोय हांवें सांगपा सांगलें का तू तुगे पेज सारकें हे कर एडवर्टायज कर सारकें या ट्राय टू गेट इट सो गायज एंड once you all have seen this I hope you guys will get in touch with him and that's तुम शेरूय कराय हो कित्याक I would love to see one of our fellow Goan brother to flourish in his passion. They have come from far away from country to settle down in this place to live our dreams. Yes, and it is. If there is a talent, why not? If it's not worth, then yes, it's always good to give a feedback. Like, Baba, apna tu kam like zalna. This is not right. I will definitely be very blunt with anything. But if I've liked it, I will say it, and not because that you have come today. It's just because I really like the way how you do it and how you approach. That's what is more important is about. So guys, इतले सांगता आणि आम्ही आमगे फोटोशूट करता नाल्यार हांव येवपा ना सारको फोटवाचेर. See you, okay? So guys, झालं आमगेलो फोटोशूट या आणि very happy with the result, the way they have come. बरें येयलें हांव बरो येयलो फोटवाचेर बरो दिसता.
But I want to
मग कितें करया लायक
Instagram ID.
मेन म्हळ्यार भुरगीं बरी दिसलो म्हाका ते ऑल्सो हॅव कम वेरी मुगे दोगांय एंजल ओली न्ही ग आनी ती एकच सारकें किशा ओ किशा तुका लायक जालें फोटो ते सारके उमेदी सारके फोटो आहा लागून the photo shoot has been done very nice. Thank you guys for watching and मागीर चोयता तुमी सांगा कॉमेंटान फोटो कशे दिसताय पळय ते जेसना हें काम कशें दिसलें पळय तुमकां या Hello friends and welcome back again to our channel K2 and Family. सोजमाताय तुम सगळी बरी आहाय म्हणून वेल आयज मुगे व्लॉग करपा एकूच इंटेंट म्हणल्यार कितें हो व्लॉग आतां आमगे तुमी चोयताय पळय हें बरें पयलीं जाल्लें and I still thought of like doing this vlog because there is a reason behind it and I'll explain you the reason. Jason म्हणपा लागलो आपण फोटो करता I have done a lot of work पयलीं आपण गोंय काम करतालो like I used to work in Goa also आणि कितें जाता guys there are many talents in here in UK who have worked very good back in home. थोडे जाण भायर आसा गल्फा आसलोले थोडे बोटीर आसताय थोडे आनी खूंय आसताले जायते भाशेन बरें बरें प्रोफेशनली काम केलां आसा बट वेन यू कम टू दीस कंट्री इट इज वेरी अनलायकली दॅट तुका सर्टनली तीच फील्ड तुका मेळटो म्हणून बिकॉज यू कांट वेस्ट टायम तुका ती फील्ड मेळोसो तेका टायम लागता वचपाक तुका त्या फिल्डाक एंड सेम हॅपन विथ जेसन इज अ वेरी गुड फोटोग्राफर वॉट हॅपन इज तो हिंगा येयलो हिंग तो तेगे डायरेक्टली तेगे हिंगा start करपा मेळोन तेका so he started a job and he started working and simultaneously small projects he used to take of photography and when I was being told and I came to know about him I spoke to him and he agreed to do a photo shoot for us so जेन्ना तेगे फोटो येयले पळय आमकां I was so mesmerized and so beautiful the captions of the pictures what he had done was so beautiful. Every moment, every single thing एक कवताले तो बायेगे स्पेशल म्हाका भुरग्यांक मगे म्हणटा तूं हांव फोटवाचें केन्ना बरो येयना सारको हांव व्हिडिओचेर लेगून बरो दिसनासतलो पूण मुगे भुरगीं दिसताय पळय लायक ती त्या मोमेंट्स वर डिफरंट ओली. It was so beautiful and I was so happy to see his work, the way how he has done it. Because अशी न्ही की आमको फोटोग्राफर कोण नाही म्हणून आमी वी नो लॉट ऑफ फोटोग्राफर्स आमगे लेगून हा ओळखीचे आहाय सारके who have done photographies for us. पण I thought of okay, why not to give a chance for somebody who wants to flourish more in his life and he wants to expand himself to do more better. And in that reason only, in that intention only, I just said, okay, कोरिया काय ना आणलं तर बरं येऊन आणलं we can see something else later on. पण the way how he has executed that thing was really outstanding and I heads off for Jason. Jason, if you're watching this, definitely I would say thank you for doing this photography for us. You have done an absolutely amazing job. होरे तुका सांगता ना आता जाता कितें guys तुम फोटो पळयता तुमी आमगे फोटो येता ते you all will see and how it is. What I'm trying to say is जेसनाक हांव उलयता पळय त्या दिसा तेन्ना फोटोग्राफी चलताली तेन्ना आय टोल्ड हिम जेसन वाय डोंट यू टेक इट लायक सिरियसली लायक तूं फूल टायम कितें वचपाक करना तो म्हणटा आपणा इतले लोक होकोनाय आपणा चड खबर ना लोकां गेले लायक आपूण वर्ड ऑफ मावथाची आपण हें चलता आनी वर्ड ऑफ मावथ वयता आपूण तेन्ना आपणा लोक रेकमेंड करताय आपूण थिंगा वचोन आनी दॅट्स हाव इट हॅपन्स. सो मुगे एक फंक्शन जालें मुगे तूं फोटोग्राफी चोयलें लोक म्हणटा अरे कोण केलो तुमगेले सो पीपल ट्राय ओके बाबा आपूण एक सांगता तेका. सो जेसन इज अ न्यू कमर इन टू द इंडस्ट्री. इज नॉट अ न्यू कमर इन UK लायक तेणी स्टार्ट केला बरें पयलीं ही हॅज डन लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स बट not very famous like तो आपणागे तो सोशल मिडियाचे चड तेका सांगता पासून ट्राय टू गेट ऑन सोशल मिडिया लायक फेसबुकाचे या इंस्टाग्रामाचे तुगे एक्टीव दवर पुट युअर रील्स एंड एवरीथिंग तो म्हणटा आपण तितले करपा वचना रे म्हणटा लोकां लायक जाल्यार बरें म्हणटा आपणा म्हणटा इतलें कितें लोक सॅटिस्फाय आसा आपणा कस्टमर सॅटिस्फाय आसपा जाय म्हणून. सो ही ऑलवेज थिंक्स इन द कस्टमर पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू तेगे पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू न्हय हांव जायत चड पाट पयलें हे फोटोग्राफर म्हणटा अरे हेंगे अशें आहलो तेंगे तशें आहलो तेगे ही डजंट पूट दॅट थिंग इन प्लेस. तो म्हणटा ओके कस्टमराक प्रॉब्लम आसा लेट जाता हें जाता आमगे काम म्हणटा आमी तें कितकू हें करपाचें ती स्टोरी टेलिंग कितकू करपा जाय ती आमी पळोवपा जाय म्हणटा. सो ही नोज एक्झॅक्टली एंड ही नोज इट दीस बिकॉज ही हॅज डन दीस जॉब बॅक इन गोवा एज वेल. आनी म्हाका तेन्ना उलयता आसतना तेणें म्हाका एक उतर म्हणलें ताणें कॅश म्हणपा लागलो आपणा म्हणपा लागलो एक आहा रे म्हणपा लागलो आपणा मामा दाडा म्हणपा लागलो जाणा आहलो आपूण बरें लायक ही इज अ व्हेरी वेल एज्युकेटेड गाय एज वेल आनी म्हणपा लागलो आपणा मामा दाडा जाणा जावपा लागलो आपूण हिंगा बरें काम करता लायक तेणें केन्ना चोवना आपणागे अशें करून आपूण काम आपूण फोटो करता केन्ना सांगलो मामा म्हणटा आपणें पूण म्हणटा केन्ना अशें करून आपण मिडियाचेर बी केन्ना घालना ना सोशल मिडियाचेर बी केन्ना घालूं वचना. सो हांवें म्हणलें मामा तेंका कळटलें म्हणलें दे वील गेट टू नो एट वन पॉयंट यू वील बी व्हेरी सक्सेसफूल एंड दे वील गेट टू नो वे. ही जस्ट सेड वन थिंग आई जस्ट वॉन्ट माय मॉम डॅड टू बी वेरी प्राउड अबाउट मी एंड डेफिनेटली एवरी पेरेंट want to see the child's success and ते जाणा आपणागे भुरग्याक पॅशन कितें पळय तो आनी तो पॅशन आपणागे मुखार वता. ही इज वर्कींग ऑल्सो एट सेम टायम ही इज डुईंग दीस ऑल्सो. सो हांव गायज इतलें सांगता एंड स्पेशली फॉर जेसन्स पेरंट्स आय एम सेयिंग युअर सन इज व्हेरी टॅलेंटेड चड बरें टॅलंट आहा तुमगे भुरग्याक गेले ही हॅज डन व्हेरी ब्युटिफूल जॉब एंड वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी विथ हिज वर्क that he has done and तेगे जायते portfolio दाखवलो तेणें म्हाका. So but that's what I'm saying and जेसनागे काम guys it's absolutely good. What I'm just saying is तुमगे केन्ना आतां आमगे गोंयकारां आमी जाय थिंग फंक्शन करताय आमी आनी आमकां फोटोग्राफराक जाय पडटा. फोटोज आर समथींग दॅट क्रिएट्स मेमरीज लायक व्हिडिओ बी आसता ओके आमी पळयताय एक पाट पयलें जालें पूण आतां आमगे घरा कडेन हें आतां आल्बम दवरलो आहाय. सो एनी टायम कोण येयलो आल्बम चोयता आमगे काजरा आल्बम चोयलो या बायेक बाल्तिमा आल्बम चोयलो एक ती मेमरी उगडास येता परत यू लीव दोज मेमरीज अगेन. सो तेशें करून फोटोज आर समथींग हॅव अ डिफरंट अटॅचमेंट ओनली आनी तेका लागून तुमकां सांगता इफ यू ऑल नीड एनी टायम अ फोटोग्राफर फॉर योर सेल्फ please do contact Jason. I can 100% tell you this that I completely recommend him. तेगे डिस्क्रिप्शन हांव सगळे फोटो घालतलो डिटेल्स घालतलो and his pricing compared to the market is way
much better. कित्याक म्हणटा इट्स नॉट बिकॉज ही फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही इज अ न्यू कमर तर म्हणून आपण न्यू आनी आय कांट एफोर्ड टू चार्ज अ लॉट फॉर द कस्टमर्स आनी आपण नाकाय म्हणून आपण सक्सेसफूल देखून जाल्यार आपण ओवर द प्रायस केन्ना करपाकूय नाका म्हणून आय वॉन्ट टू स्टँड सो आपणा जाय लोकांक आपणा काम लायक जालें आनी लोकांना आपल्या आपयलोलें एंड दॅट वॉट इज थॉट इज द थॉट इज ऑलवेज मेकिंग समबडी मेकिंग वेलकम तेगे चिंतप दुसरे भाशेन तो म्हणटा आपणा काम आपण कितलोय फेमस जावं या कितेंय जावं म्हणटा आपणा म्हणटा इतलें जाय की लोकांना आपणा आपयलोलें आपणा काम चोयन आपयलोलें आपणा बिश्टे कोता ओडकीन आपणा आपयलो नाका म्हणून आपणा काम चोयन आपयलें जाय म्हणून एंड ही वील पुट ऑल हीज एफर्ट्स इन दॅट आनी तेगे प्रायसींग म्हळ्यार खरें इट्स व्हेरी रिजनेबल खरें आनी हांवें लेगून तेन्नाय ताका वय म्हणलो तेच कामा लागून कित्याक बिकॉज हीज प्रायस वॉज रिजनेबल और म्हणल्यार सांगलो तेंच कित्याक बिकॉज म्हाका तो बारीक फोटोशूट जालो चड व्हडलो न्ही हीज प्रायस वॉज व्हेरी रिजनेबल सो तेका लागून आय डीड से फॉर हिम फॉर दॅट ओनली आनी सेकंडली ही इज नॉट जस्ट डुईंग अ नॉर्मल ऑर्डिनरी फोटोशूट्स एक बारीक न्ही तो कसलेय घेता इवन इफ ही हॅज यू हॅव अ वेडिंग ही इज गॉट अ टीम विथ हिम where he is collaborating with other photographers. He's having his own team as well, where they have a group where they can come together. Like you all need 2 photographers, 3 photographers. He can arrange. If you need teko, Saud munpi munis lingu dekode. So he is. I had given him idea like he is trying to explore himself. He's trying to get in contact with a lot of people to make sure that okay, if there is events like this, that he can execute it very well. So I wish Jason all the very best in your future and you may flourish in your future as well. My all the best wishes goes for you, for me and my family. Yeah, Cash, Nadia is wishing you, K2N family is wishing you, and Munta, like to all my subscribers and my viewers as well who are watching it, this is purely not to promote anyone. I'm not promoting, this is not a promotion of business I'm doing. Honestly, I don't go for any promotions and all. Te haंव केन्ना करपा वचना, maybe खबर हेजे मुखार बी कोरीत घडये हांव ना म्हणना, but this is not about the promotion. I'm not doing a promotion. I'm doing it from my heart because I felt it and I felt like okay, I should say, and I'm specially doing it for Jason's parents to let Jason's parents know कि तुमगे चेडो is a very good talented person. He's a very good photographer and he is very hard working. तो कामूय करता प्लस तो आपणागे पैशनूय he is living his passion also, and that's what makes Jason very special. And I wish, as I say, I wish Jason all the very best. That's all I wanted to say, guys. A photo जो है and तुम्ही judge कराय तुम कशी दिसली पहिले. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.